Okay, let's start with, we got these cool things from, we just made them last night. So we're gonna open these right now. So let's get ready. I'm like not ready for this. Okay, first let's open this one. Just put your whole hand in there. See it? See how nice it is? It's cool, right? But I'll fill all of them, and when they feel good, then we can take them out and then play with them. Yeah. It's like nice. Like, you should smell this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey. Okay, now, next one. It has glitter in it. It has glitter. It has glitter, you see? That's small. Okay, now take him out. Take this bad boy out. See what I can do. See how nice it is? If you were 7 years old, just like me, you can get this from anything. But you just have to go to my shop, so I can make you one, a happy birthday one. But it's gonna be really stretchy, so it's gonna be really stretchy, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go to the next one. Alright. Then we're going to mix it up, okay? It looked like orange head. Look real. That's 5 millimeters on the thing. Okay, now you can go to the next one. So, if you were me, now I gotta close this thing back up so I can put this one in. Just mix it. Okay. It's really fun. So, if you were me, it'll turn into a big ball. For real, turn into a big ball. She's already turning into a big ball. I don't know why I'm doing that. I can just pull them apart. See? Huh? See, but you gotta put it back.